Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food and or drink for a certain period of time, usually for religious or health reasons. While there are different types of fasting, including intermittent fasting, water fasting, and juice fasting, they all have potential benefits for overall health and well-being. Here are some of the potential benefits of fasting. Weight loss. Fasting can help promote weight loss by reducing caloric intake and increasing fat burning. Intermittent fasting, in particular, has been shown to be an effective tool for weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improve blood sugar control in people who already have diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common underlying cause of many chronic diseases. Improved cardiovascular health. Fasting can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve other markers of cardiovascular health. Enhanced cognitive function. Fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, possibly by promoting the growth of new brain cells. Longevity. Some studies suggest that fasting may help extend lifespan and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Improved immune function. Fasting has been shown to improve immune function by promoting the regeneration of immune cells. Reduced oxidative stress. Fasting can help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging and chronic diseases. Better gut health. Fasting can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reduce the risk of developing digestive disorders such as inflammatory bowel disease. Spiritual and psychological benefits. Fasting has been used for spiritual and psychological purposes for centuries. Many people find that fasting can help them feel more focused, clear-headed, and spiritually connected. It is important to note that while fasting has potential benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and individuals with a history of disordered eating should not fast without consulting with a healthcare professional first. Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments below what you thought and if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps me create more great content. Thanks for watching.